Let's go ahead and add a URL to a specific listing that we're posting an idea pin for on Pinterest. Normally, once you post your idea pin, you would click on sticker and the option to tag a product will come up. That way you post your URL to your specific item wherever that's listed, most likely Etsy, and then it would be able to search for the item and bring that item up. Here I am, I'm just naming the listing, doing my finishing touches. If I have a hard time, sometimes I just come up with simple things, or I would go back to my Etsy listing and post that specific title to the idea pin that I'm posting. Now I'm choosing a board. I have created my own board as Etsy listing, so every time I post an idea pin or a pin, I would add to my Etsy listing if it's in fact on Etsy. And here I am, I'm just posting it or saving it or pinning it to other boards that I'm a member of. And it's that easy. Sometimes I go in and I do it a couple of times to different boards, different sections of boards as well. And there you have it.